Next category, Best Pickles. The nominees are Tops Mother's Recipe. May I have on stage Mr. P. Rajan Matthews, Vice President Sales and Marketing, Mr. Rajesh, Manager Sales from Mother's Recipe. Congratulations. I have a question for you. Why Mother's Recipe, the name Mother's Recipe?
Why it is Mother's Recipe? Because we bring the traditional recipe in the modern formats suitable in every house. We started as a pickle brand, but today we straddle across 12 categories. If you know pickle, there are 123 recipes in the country, and it's a very challenging task for us to be available in every state, every town, with the recipe of the local. So we have 60 recipes that we manufacture across, and we are there in 40 countries. And like Ms. Heyman says, in the US, he has only Mother's Recipe pickle. That's a tribute for us. Thank you for trusting us, and we thank all our customers. Thank you.
Congratulations, sir. And now India's Best Fertilizer category. The nominees were Chambal Fertilizers and Chemical Limited, National Fertilizers Limited, Gujarat State Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited. The winner is Gujarat State Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited. May I have on stage Mr. S.P. Yadav, Senior Vice President, to collect this award. We also have with us Dr. S.K. Nanda, the Chairman of Gujarat State Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'll say something on brand. One product can be manufactured within seconds, within few minutes, within few hours, within a day or night. Immediately after production, we can give a brand name to that. But the real challenge comes when we want to establish it. We at GSFC, we are manufacturing 15 lakh metric ton of Sardar brand fertilizers, and we are providing it to Indian farmers. Now, we believe that farm income can be increased after providing this quality fertilizer, quality seed, quality pesticides, quality other agro inputs. And along with this, quality services are also required. We at GSFC, since beginning, we have hired services of agriculture graduates and postgraduates, and they are working in the field. Now, today we are here because of the GSFC team who has established this Sardar brand in the hearts and minds of Indian farmers and farmers' faith of last 53 years. Thank you, our consumers, the real consumer, the farmers, and we are also thankful to IBC Infomedia for recognizing our efforts. Thank you very much.
I would also request Dr. S.K. Nanda to say a few words.
See, it becomes very ironical on my part here to speak, but I may only mention here that the Sardar package, which Mr. Jadhav mentioned, is also founded on 3 principles which we in GSFC have given to the country: save power, save fertilizers, and save water. Save water through drip irrigation, which is our second company which is dealing with drip irrigation. We have reached 18 lakh farmers. Save power. We believe in solarization of pumps in the farmers so that they reduce the costs of the operation. And we save fertilizers also by telling them that you use for better economic and efficient use water-soluble fertilizers, and we are one of the great producers of the country of the WSF. So we believe in a total package, and as Mr. Jadhav said, our biggest branding, probably underpinning is our quality and after-sales contacts, connectivity and contacting our recipients and beneficiaries is the biggest bets, our cornerstone of our success.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. S.K. Nanda. And now, the next category, Best Kitchen Appliances. The nominees were Electrolux, Preeti Kitchen, and CAF. The winner is CAF. May I invite on stage Mr. S.L. Anand, founder, and Mr. Vikas Kapoor, vice president, to collect the award.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In building the brand, I'd like to share some experience with you. It started with the dream. And to realize the dream needed the conviction, followed by the mission to succeed, mission to reach the goal. And in building the brand, the most important factor has been the customer care service. And in the customer care, you do get complaints. In any part of business, in any products, complaints are inevitable. Complaints needed to be attended like a fire brigade. That gave us the confidence. That made the CAF brand possible to be a leading brand in the country in kitchen appliances, kitchen accessories, kitchen hardware. And thanks to the organizer for giving us a recognition. Thank you. Thanks, man.
Congratulations, sir. And now in the category of Best Edible Oil, the nominees were Fortune, Sundrop, Dalda. The winner is Dalda. May I have on stage Mr. Ankur Malhotra, Marketing Head, Mr. Prashant Sukwani, Ms. Divya Jahigirdar, and Ms. Sonal Lalwani. I request you to keep your speech for less than a minute because we are hard pressed on time.
I think best wishes to all of you also. You guys have been really, really conscious about your consumers and customers' demand. We at Bunge India, who are working as a team on brand Dalda, definitely believe that quality is all about what we do right when we are not being recognized or being looked upon. And if you constantly keep on working it, this is what exactly we achieve. Thanks a lot.
And now, in the category of best cakes, the nominees were Selajor, Birdies, Wanjani's. The winner is Wanjani's. May I have on stage Mr. Jagdish Shetty, Franchisee Development Manager. It's too silent. I need some noise. India's Best Electronic Payment Services category. The nominees were PayU Citrus Pay Electronic Payment and Services Private Limited, and the winner is EPS Electronic Payment and Services. We have with us Mr. Tyagarajan, Vice President Banking Relations, and Mr. Richard Kande, Associate Vice President Marketing, Communications and Public Relations.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, dignitaries on the stage and off the stage. Electronic payment and services. We are a grown-up company now from 2011. We are a company which establishes the entire ATM network for the banks. And most of us here are much familiar with ATMs. So we started with ATMs maybe around 20 years back when I was part of the company. And this company was floated by people who made the difference in the delivery to the touch points. Company in a nutshell. We have today established 5,000 ATMs across India, and transactions happening 100 per day. So today we have almost 5 lakh transactions, customers rather, doing transactions on our ATM, and we make this ATM available on a day-to-day basis. It is a disruptive technology. Today we work on a technology where it's given. People are more confident, and today we are humbled to take this award. We are honored, and it's a privilege to receive India's most trusted award. And in a way, this will help or give us more impetus to do keep up the trust having got this award. Also, I would like to convey a message saying that we are in the cash business, meaning setting up the ATM network and the ATM infrastructure. So the customer, unless he gets a trust that by going to this site, I get my transaction done and I get my money, safe and secure. So in a way, this gives us the confidence and the trust factor, and this will give us more energy and encouragement to work better. And thanks to EPS team, thanks to our excellent Marcom team headed by Richard, and to our complete EPians here. Today, because we are here today, because of those hard work by my entire team. And the recipe for success, just in a nutshell, we have brought this, disruptive technology of ATMs, and we are in a way successful because of the disruptive business model that we have brought in here. The model is on a pay-per-transaction, meaning every transaction that, enables a customer to get his money, we get paid. So in a way, it is a disruptive business model that what keeps us going. And today we are here. Thanks to organizers. And we are in an exciting payment system space. Before closing, today, India, you see 11 payment banks and 10 small banks have been given by RBI. When RBI was himself talking about a few banks, And this is a very exciting space. We are excited. And today at EPS, we are growing as the fastest payment system company in India. Thank you so much. Thanks to my customers and thanks to organizers. Thank you.
Thank you, EPS team. Congratulations to you.